We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the YunTuo LED Beanie with the light, a unisex, USB rechargeable headlamp, winter knitted cap designed as a practical gift for men, dads, husbands, or anyone needing a hands-free light source in cold weather. This product combines a warm knitted beanie with a built-in LED light, offering both comfort and functionality. The beanie is made from soft, stretchy material that fits well on most head sizes and provides excellent warmth against cold and wind. Users consistently praise its comfort, noting that it is soft and sturdy without feeling cheap or flimsy. The unisex design and calm color options, including a popular red, add a stylish touch that stands out from typical winter headwear. The LED light embedded in the beanie is a standout feature. It is surprisingly bright and offers multiple brightness settings, allowing users to adjust the light according to their needs. Whether for jogging in low light, walking the dog at night, working on cars, fishing after dark, or camping, the light provides excellent visibility while keeping hands free. The rechargeable battery is a significant convenience, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. Charging is done via USB, with a red indicator light showing when the unit is charging. The light module is removable for charging but remains securely in place during use, even when the wearer shakes their head or moves vigorously. Battery life is generally reported as good, with many users satisfied that the light lasts long enough for typical outdoor activities. However, exact battery duration and charging times are not always specified, and some users would appreciate more detailed information in the instructions. The light is bright enough that a single click on the button often provides sufficient illumination, making it easy to operate without fumbling in the dark. The beanie's warmth and wind protection are highly rated, making it suitable for winter use. It is especially appreciated by those who work outdoors or enjoy nighttime activities in cold weather. The hat fits snugly, even on larger heads, and remains comfortable during extended wear. Some users note that the light module can feel slightly bulky after long periods, but it is not uncomfortable enough to detract from the overall experience. One important consideration is that the beanie is not waterproof, so it is not recommended for use in rainy conditions. This limits its use somewhat for outdoor activities in wet weather, but for dry, cold conditions, it performs very well. Delivery is prompt, and the product typically arrives in perfect condition. Overall, the YunTuo LED Beanie offers great value for its price. It is not cheaply made, and the quality of both the knit material and the LED light module is impressive given the cost. It is a practical and thoughtful gift, especially for outdoor enthusiasts, workers who need hands-free lighting, or anyone who wants a warm hat with an integrated light source. The combination of comfort, brightness, and rechargeable convenience makes it a standout product in the winter gear category. If you own this beanie or decide to try it, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This beanie is a clever, functional, and stylish solution for anyone needing reliable illumination and warmth in one package.